Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so you don't get stuck. Make sure the router is on, you know the SSID and password, and whether you'll use DHCP or a static IP. If you choose wired, plug an Ethernet cable into the Xbox's LAN port now. If you choose Wi-Fi, be near the router for a stronger signal. Once done, power on the Xbox 360, sign into your gamer profile, and install any system updates the console requests before moving to network setup. You'll now configure the connection itself through System Settings. Navigate to Guide Right Arrow Settings, Right Arrow System Settings, Right Arrow Network Settings, then pick Wired or Wireless and select your network. Enter the Wi-Fi passphrase when prompted. If you need a static IP, choose Advanced Settings and input the IP, subnet, gateway, and DNS values from your router. Make sure to test the Xbox Live connection. If NAT reports strict, forward ports or enable UPnP on the router to improve matchmaking and party chat reliability. Finish by running the network test and signing into Xbox Live so you confirm connectivity and service access. If the test succeeds, download updates and launch a multiplayer test to verify stability. If it fails, power cycle the router and the Xbox, test again, and then inspect cables and Wi-Fi password accuracy. If problems persist, update router firmware, check NAT type, and set port forwarding for Xbox Live ports. That single troubleshooting tip. Reboot then verify NAT, fixes most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.